if you're a startup founder trying to plan smart and not burn your runway. This video will break it all down. It also includes free tools, free MVP support, and insights founders usually pay for. It's all here. Just stay with me till the end. So, let's get started. What exactly is an MVP? Your MVP, or minimum viable product, is a simplified version of your product that solves one real user problem. It's not your final product. It's your learning tool. So, what actually drives the cost of your MVP? Let's break it down. First, the number of screens. More screens mean more design, more code, and more back-end work. A 5-screen app is going to be way cheaper than something with 15. Next, user roles. Is your app just for users? Or do you need admin dashboards, vendor access, or multiple permission levels? That adds complexity fast. Then, there's the platform. Are you building for iOS, Android, both? Or going cross-platform with something like Flutter to save time and money? Also, feature complexity matters a lot. If you're building real-time chat, using AI, or handling dynamic logic, expect more dev hours. Don't forget about the back end. Cloud storage, APIs, notifications, all that infrastructure adds up. Finally, design. If you're going with a clean, standard layout, you'll save time. But if you want custom animations and pixel-perfect visuals, that's extra effort. Not sure how much your MVP will cost? Here's an easier way. Use the free MVP cost calculator. Just select your app type, how many screens you need, your platform, and how complex your features are. You'll get an estimated price in seconds. No sign-up, no payment. Just clarity. The link is in the description. Try it now for free. All right, let's talk numbers because this part really surprises a lot of founders. If you're building your MVP in the US, you're probably looking at anywhere from $25,000 to over $100,000, depending on how complex your build is. But here's the thing, that same MVP, with the exact same features, built by an experienced team in India, you're looking at around $6,000 to $20,000. That's up to 75% in savings. And no, it doesn't mean cutting corners. It works because hourly rates are lower. You're still getting global quality talent. The turnaround is faster, and most teams are used to building lean for early-stage founders. If your MVP budget is tight, here's how to keep costs lean without sacrificing quality. 1. Start with one problem. Don't overbuild. 2. Use Flutter or cross-platform tools. Cut dev time in half. 3. Keep UI clean, not fancy. Strong UX speeds, heavy visuals. 4. Build, launch, validate fast, learn, iterate. Your MVP doesn't need to be polished. It just needs proof. Focus on speed feedback and solving one core pain point. If you're thinking about building your MVP, here's why founders like you are working with us. At McClansis, we've helped launch over 1,000 MVPs, and we really know what early-stage founders need. We're not just here to code. We think like product people. You get full MVP build, plus free go-to-market support to help you actually launch. No lock-in contracts, and most importantly, your idea stays protected with NDAs. Oh, and if you're eligible, you can get up to 100 hours of free dev time to kick things off. So, if you're serious about launching your MVP lean and fast, check the link in the description.